At the start of the school year, the principal of Pioneer Elementary School asked me to come see Pioneer Pride in action. It didn't take long to see it as students emerged from school buses on the very first day of school. Each day, students are greeted by staff with a smile and encouraged to know that they are part of this school community. On several return visits, I saw students demonstrating Pioneer Pride all over the school, and I had a chance to ask some students in kindergarten and fifth grade what it means to show Pioneer Pride. I asked a kindergartner if he knew a way to show Pioneer Pride.
You kind of share, maybe. It's when you share a toy with someone else, like your friend, or maybe one of your brothers or sisters.
It all comes down to sharing, caring for one another, and learning how to solve small problems before turning to a teacher for help solving the bigger problems. I watched some kindergartners learning about Kelso's wheel, a method students use to resolve conflicts before they get out of hand.
Who solves small problems?
I solve small problems.
Oh, because we know that solving small problems helps us figure things out, especially at recess, in the classroom, on the bus, at home, right? I'm sorry. And the word right here is a fancy word for I'm sorry. Does anybody remember? Oh, everybody together.
The strength of saying I'm sorry is how some students have learned to show Pioneer Pride.
Well, today I tripped over Angel's lunchbox because he put it on the ground, but I said sorry.
And these kindergartners also got a lesson in showing Pioneer Pride on the playground and in PE.
We got to remember, we play by the rules. We know the rules, we play by the rules, we take turns, and we have fun.
And I saw plenty of that. Pioneer students taking turns in PE and on the playground, treating school property with respect, playing by the rules, and treating other students with kindness.
So if there's like a kid playing at recess that doesn't have no one to play with, you could come with them and like play a game or something like that.
And what I think I liked most about my visits to Pioneer and all of Evergreen's public schools is how students are showing pride in their schools by helping their classmates focus on learning. I saw students walking quietly in the hallways so they don't disturb other classrooms. I saw students being quiet and respectful in the library. And one of Pioneer's kindergartners told me about how to keep their friends on task during class.
What does it mean to tell them to stop? When do you tell somebody to stop?
When they're like picking on you, like when it's learning time, you don't want them to pick at you because then you'll stop learning.
Listening to your teacher, not talking or having side conversations.
Students earn Pioneer Paws for showing Pioneer Pride, and if enough are accumulated, classrooms can earn things like a party or free time to play a classroom game. But what I noticed most during my visits to Pioneer was that students know that Pioneer Pride isn't about parties or prizes, but about treating others the way you want to be treated.
By being kind, you say, use your manners, you say please and thank you. By being safe, you walk on gray, and and being respectful, you would say hi, and smile to people, show them that you care about them. And being responsible is helping out, giving a hand to somebody. It makes our school better because then we can, we have rules to follow, and it makes us a better person, not just the school. Because by doing Pioneer Pride, you have to do it, and it makes the school, it not just only makes the school better, but it makes you better. It makes you a better person.